Hey guys, so there's a brand new Animal Jam update that includes pandas and turkeys. Wow, I mean, I know pandas are coming to Jamal because there used to be like a panda place before pandas are even out. So people know that it's for pandas are coming back to Jamal. Yeah, once I started to update it, I realized something, that not many people are happy. Let me guess, Animal Jam is using safaris, but I got 300 right in the bag, so buy a panda. And I'm not gonna buy a turkey because I'm sick. Oh, just kidding. I already bought a panda. Look at that little cutie pie. And I have the turkey. Okay, I can. Oh my goodness. Okay, I can show what the turkey can do. Alright, so I got everything that the turkey set is I just bought everything that the turkey actually needs. Not that needs, the turkey's toys. Like, come on, just do something. It's really cute. Oh, come on, that again? Okay, do the thing. Do the thing with the thing. It's really adorable. I mean, yeah. Do the thing with the nest and do the thing with the... Okay, I don't get why. Why in the world? Like, why? Would that be a turkey treadmill? Why? Look. No, the turkey treadmill. Come on. Okay, I'll be right back then. Okay. So this is the most adorable thing in the world, but look behind. Oh, so, okay. Come on, play again. No! I just totally ruined everything. Oh yeah, and one thing, the comments that I get from my account that says, oh my goodness, so cute. The hate comments from the suspended. Yeah, that one is pretty funny. Like, ew, gross, I'm glad it's suspended. Like, thanks for the view, bro. Oh, look at the turkey. Oh, yeah. So, like, okay, I hope you feel better now. And I hope your suspension is lifted too. Because a lot of people watch I get suspended because they actually got this suspended themselves. And yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this. Just play with the egg. Play with the nest. Okay? Play with the nest. Come on. Okay, you know what? Okay. So, and then, oh, okay. Yeah, look guys. Oh no, that's so cute. I can't. No, I wanna go right here. Okay, so that goes there, and that goes there. Okay, I am doing an offer. If you have a ballot hat and if you want pink spike, just buddy me. I'm trying to request on, and yeah, need to know, make sure you have this pattern. Make sure to know. I'm not gonna change. Well, make sure you have a soft pink. I mean that soft pink. It could be this or that one. I don't really care as long as it's a soft pink, I guess. And then white. Okay, and then white with a pattern of this one. Oh, I just made the cutest little panda. But unfortunately, the pattern has to be this color. This color, not that one, this one. Okay, anyway. Black panda. Oh, guys, that's a designer. That's me, and that's the designer. Okay. I have the offer right here. The pink stripe color. Yeah. Okay. So. Hello, Ashby. I'm gonna get rid of us. Yeah. Ashby. Okay. You're sleeping. Okay. So this is the panda with everything. Yeah, so cute. Look at the butt. The butt is just adorable, I have to say. It looks like a fat little baby. A fat little Asian baby. And, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look. Okay. So, let's do the play animation. Sorry, that was my mom. And okay, so the funny thing is I'm supposed to do in PE, which is the best, we're supposed to perform like gymnastic things, like a cartwheel and hands. There's one more thing I don't know the name of. It's like a ghostly thing. Yeah. And this panda can do a handstand with one paw. And a panda is fat. Not fat shaming or anything. I mean, these animals cannot do that. But anyway, it's cute. So let's do the dancing animation. Oh, so cute. Sleeping is the most adorable. But that is smooth. That is a smooth thing. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Sleep. And the most adorable. Yeah. So, the thing is, I really like this one. I really like this animal. Yeah. Epic bow and arrows. Yeah, so yeah, they released a lot of things. I don't know what they do, but they released a lot of things, I guess. You know what? Apple. I have a pen. No, Carly. You know, I'm gonna change. It's so cute. Oh, I can't change animals while I'm sliding. Cool. I'm gonna show you my Arctic wolf look. Yep, there it is. My Arctic wolf look. Turkey, you better come back here. Okay, so guys, remember the Turkey is glitching out. Okay then. Okay, that is weird. Stay surly, lollies. Is that a good thing to say? I mean, okay. I'm gonna do Stacy's. Yeah. Stay swirly lollies and have a good day. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Hey, bye. Share, I guess. Yeah, save this video offline. Okay, what am I doing? Yeah, okay, bye.